Hey there, tech fans. Today I'd like to introduce you to a brand new company that we actually started back in 2017 called Gadget Hero. Now, anybody that's a fan of the channel knows that here at Drone Valley, we have a team of engineers and really smart technology people that analyze tech, and we fly drones every day. So over the last 10 years on this channel, we've developed over 30 products that can enhance your flying experience. Things like landing gears and propeller guards and maybe gimbal covers. We've also produced some of our own products, including this Hydra cable, which has 3 USB-C connections on one end and a single USB-A connection on the other end, which allows you to easily charge 3 different products from a single USB-A port. We then released the brand new video cable about 2 years ago, and this allows you to mirror the screen on your DJI RC2 controller to a widescreen TV. So it's got a USB connection on one end and an HDMI connection on the other end, and will actually mirror that screen on your widescreen TV. That was a really difficult thing to figure out. And then we just recently released an upgrade to our wireless mic kit, which has 2 transmitters and a single USB-C receiver that you can plug into your phone, your tablet, your drone controller, and you can record audio from 2 separate microphones at the same time. Now, those are just some of the 30 products we've released. But the technology guys here at Drone Valley play with a lot of different gear. And we're looking at consumer products that we use on a regular basis, and we've reviewed a lot of those on the channel. And the same thing applies for Gadget Hero, where if we find a product that we think is good, we'll review it on our channel here on Drone Valley and the Gadget Hero channel as well sometimes. But if we can't find a product that works, or we feel like a lot of the products that are being advertised really don't do what they say they're going to do, we'll dive into that. And we'll try to find a product that does a little bit more than the average product available on the market, or we'll create one ourselves working with the manufacturers we have all over the world. And here are some of the products that we've already tested. And when we find a product that we manufacture on our own, or we find a really good product somebody else is manufacturing, we bring a lot of that stock into the United States so we can ship it from the US to customers here in the country. And that way you know you're buying from a US retailer and you're getting a product that's already been tested. And these are 4 of the products that we've already put through that process. And a couple of these we've actually developed ourselves. The first 2 releases are going to be these tracking tags. So the tracking tags come in a pack of 4, and there's a tracking card that is incredibly small. And I'll show you that. I'm going to review all these products on the channel over the next couple of weeks. But that tracking card in particular slides in your wallet, and both of these work just like an AirTag would work, or if you've got a Google phone and you've got, a Google tracking tag. The nice part about both of these products is they'll work on both systems. So they'll work on iOS and they'll work on an Android system, and they use the native application. So many times these tracking devices require a separate application that you have to download to your phone. Maybe there's a fee every month for it. There's none of that nonsense with these 2. So the benefits of these 2 products are essentially that they work with both operating systems for mobile phones and tablets and other devices, and they use the native application. So you can use the Find Me on iOS or the Find Hub on Android. We've also released a brand new nanotape. Now, this is like the hottest thing going today. Some people call it alien nanotape or nanotape, but essentially what it is a thin membrane that's crystal clear that's double-sided. And it's got a certain thickness to it, so it's got a little bit of sponginess, and you can basically put it on any surface and then stick something to it and it'll hold it up. Now, what's interesting about this is there's a lot of shenanigans going on in the market out there about nanotapes. Some companies are selling it really inexpensively for a really short piece of it. Other companies make it really thin or really thin this way. We decided, we've got to go with our own nanotape manufacturer. So what we decided to do with the roll is to make it a jumbo roll. So it's a lot longer than other nanotapes. It's thicker and it's wider. So with that 1 box of nanotape, you can probably do the work that you would normally do with 3 or 4 other boxes of nanotape. We just wanted to get you one and have everything you need. And again, we've tested it. I've hung things all over the house and the shop with it, and they're still hanging up. They're doing okay. And then finally, this under cabinet lighting is a pretty cool product. It's USB-C chargeable, so you'll charge it once. You can stick it under your cabinet, over your workbench, or in your closet. And it's got infrared sensors that will see you coming and turn on when you're in that vicinity. Now, what's different about that is it's got a bigger battery, so it lasts a little bit longer. It is adjustable temperature, so you can adjust the Kelvin from really bright to really warm, so you can decide where that's at. You can have it on all the time by flipping the switch, or you can have it be motion detectable. So those are just the 4 products we're going to start with, but we've got 5 or 6 more in the pipeline to release in May and June, so you'll see a constant stream of products. Now, I don't want to make this seem like we set this up as a purely retail site, because the Gadget Hero YouTube channel, which has been up for a while, and I'll put links below to these 4 products in the Gadget Hero YouTube channel, is really a place that I like to review products that don't fit into the drone category necessarily, because there's a lot of consumer electronics out there that I play with, I test, I work with companies, and I want to review it on a channel, and I feel like if I flood the Drone Valley channel with it, the drone people are going to be like, why isn't there drone clips up here? What are you doing with all these technology clips? So that's where the Gadget Hero channel comes in. I'm going to move a lot of the tech around things that are not other than drones over to that channel, so you've got a choice between the 2 of them. I'm hoping you'll subscribe both, but if you like drones, stay here. If you like consumer electronics, go there. If you're a nerd like me, you probably like both, so you might want to check out both channels, because there'll be different reviews, again, on both of those streams. And that's really all I had for today. So I just wanted to introduce the company. I promise you, I'll have a review of the tracking card up sometime this week, so you'll understand exactly what the features are. I'll show you how to add it to your phone and how you can use it to track devices. And then I'll work my way through the other products. But I just want to say again that with Drone Valley and with Gadget Hero, I'm so appreciative of all the support we've seen on both channels. I am a nerd at heart. I've got a lot of free time on my hands. I play with every manner of technology you can imagine. I often joke that if you can plug it in, put a battery in it, or charge it, if it runs on electrons, I like testing it. So you'll see a lot of those tests both here on Drone Valley and over on the Gadget Hero channel as well. But that was it for today. So thank you so much for all your support. If you have any questions about any of these products, drop them in the comments below and I'll answer them for you. If you need some drone stuff, we got plenty of drone stuff as well. But I'm here as sort of a person that likes to test technology, and we use the tagline, Tech You Can Trust, and we use that because we've tested it, we're using it, and we feel completely comfortable recommending it. So thanks an awful lot for stopping by. Make sure you check out that Gadget Hero channel. Again, check the link below, and please subscribe over there. We're trying to build that channel up a little bit as well. And that's pretty much it for today. So thanks again for watching, and until next time, as always, stay nerdy.